3 तो came out on the same day. The
Sky
Skyforce, Deva, and the greatest hero of all time.
Badass Ravi Kumar.
Ravi Kumar.
If Ajay Devgan goes into an aircraft and makes it come alive, then he'll watch it.
By the way, Maddox Films ने अपना पूरा वो
2028
slate
Yeah.
भाई कह रहे
महायुद्ध-
Avengers की माँ की आँख ठीक है. Now the recent rumors are that they want to build like a team of villains, which probably like they are trying to rope in Shah Rukh for that.
What if it's a surprise? We go into watch Skyforce and midway through the film, we
वो
realize
3-3
it's
start हो
part
जाए.
of the horror universe, horror comedy universe.
Plane is actually Ajay Devgan.
जब तुम जाती हो जल्दी नहीं आती हो I miss you baby.
You know, I spent my New Year's abroad, and imagine my surprise when at the airport, when going through immigration, the first thing I have to hear is, "Tera immigration ke baad cremation ho jayega." That's not what I want, dude. We're talking about the one, the only badass Ravi Kumar on this episode of Pop Conversation. Hello and welcome. My name is Andresh Shakkar, joined by
Finally.
Abbas Momin.
and
Snehal Anil.
I should have. You're right. I should have
Yeah,
actually pointed to you
that's
first.
what, क्योंकि मैं जितनी देर से आपने बताया है एक डायलॉग के लिए बिल्डअप, मैं खाली बैठा हूँ फ्रेम में बस.
हाँ, ठीक है, bro. You could have done something.
No, all three of us are in the same room after like 3 months. So
Yeah.
it's gonna take a while to get our mojo on.
The one who didn't skip an episode is Snehal, dude.
Oh, yeah, that's
Yeah,
true.
wow. Snehal is there every week, so more props to you, man.
मेरे को एक लिसनर ने मैसेज किया था, कहता है पहले अब्बास गया फिर अब
अच्छा।
अंतरिक्ष चला गया,
अभी
आप
आ
कब
जाओ।
जा रहे हो?
Makes sense.
I think that was a request, Snehal, not a doubt.
आप जाओ
जाओ
प्लीज.
रे यार, जाओ ना।
अब्बास को भेज दो वापस.
आप बहुत सिंसियर हो यार, ये तो अच्छी बात नहीं है. So
Can
what's up,
we-
Abbas? After a long time,
No, we have to address the elephant in the room. Is that last time all
you're
three
in
of-
the room.
I walked right into that one, didn't I? Last time the three of us were in one room.
We were all
All three of us were
bachelors,
bachelors.
Yes.
But that's not the case anymore.
You got
Yeah.
married? Congrats, dude. You didn't बताया नहीं, बुलाया
हाँ
नहीं.
ऐसे ही मैंने
Oh,
चुपके
shit.
चुपचाप कर ली शादी.
Yes,
But,
I'm married.
oh my God.
She liked it. She put a ring on it. And you know.
I hope she did.
Yeah. Well,
जब तूने ऐसे इंट्रो में बोला ना कि on the at the airport I heard after immigration तेरा cremation, I was like I hope it wasn't your father-in-law.
no, it was my wife. These jokes start. These fucking horrible.
मतलब भाई अभी हस्बैंड वाइफ अभी
Yes.
महीना नहीं हुआ है इसको शादी करके.
no, excuse चाहिए क्या? Start these, hack.
But like I mentioned on an
Oh
episode,
fuck, just एक सेकंड, आज ही महीना हुआ है
आज
आपकी
एक
शादी
exactly,
का.
yeah, on the date of recording. yeah.
So this was the day of the Sangeet.
Yeah,
Tomorrow,
eight.
like
Yeah,
9th
yeah.
would be.
9th would be.
Today we're recording on the 8th.
Shadi.
Yes.
But
Eighth.
like when you were not here when we recorded an episode, and I said that finally our friend gets to lose his virginity. So congrats on losing your virginity, bro.
Snehal, congrats, dude.
But
No,
that
no.
part didn't make the episode.
No, it was on.
It
the
was
episode.
there.
Yeah,
अच्छा,
yeah,
चलो
yeah.
फिर ठीक है.
So yeah, man. Nice.
You
Good.
fucker, you are acting as if I was there. क्या नज़ारे थे भाई, इतना रोना है मेरे को. You fucker didn't make
Yeah,
it.
no, I couldn't make it. I apologize. Yeah,
Yeah,
I've apologized to you off screen also, but
But in front of everyone. you
yeah,
have to,
video or
obviously.
do it on video or it didn't
Yeah,
happen.
you
so
missed
I have to,
a
yeah.
couple of really fun, fucking awesome days. We danced like madmen.
I'll be there for your
Got
next
drunk a
one,
lot.
bro. It's okay.
Oh,
Don't
thank
worry.
you. Thank you. Yes.
Snail's wedding.
How was you attending my wedding?
But बहुत सही था, पता है. मैं genuinely I think he is.
I was on all the groups, so I got to see all the videos
he
and
is actually the happiest groom that I've seen
Yeah.
on his own wedding. And I think
यार किसी को कुछ होना चाहिए.
मैं एक्चुअली पता है घर जाके अब जैसे घर पे गया अभी तो घर से बात हो रही थी कैसी रही अंतरिक्ष की शादी वगैरह वगैरह, तो मैं उनको बता रहा था. मैंने कहा जितनी शादियां सो पंजाबी वेडिंग्स यूजुअली अप नॉर्थ आर लाइक भाई 3-3 हॉल बुक हो रहे हैं, 800 लोग आ रहे हैं, जानते भी नहीं कौन है, गेट क्रैश करना इतना आसान हो गया है. ठीक है, ऐसा सीन चल रहा है. एंड लाइक इसकी शादी में वही गिनती के 40, 50, 60, 100 जितने भी लोग इन्होंने इनवाइट किए. बट द थिंग वाज कि इट वाज सो इंटीमेट, सो पर्सनल. ही न्यू एवरीबडी बाय द नेम, एवरीबडी वाज सो हैप्पी दैट ही इज सो हैप्पी, ही इज हैप्पी, एवरीबडी इज हैप्पी, सब सही चल रहा है. एंड आई वाज लाइक ये अप नॉर्थ वेडिंग्स में नहीं होता है. बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता। एंड इनकी शादी से आई थिंक 10 दिन पहले मैं अपने दोस्त की एक और शादी अटेंड करके आया था
वो तो
दिल्ली में।
इतना उदास था ब्रो।
ब्रो मैं आपको सच बताऊं, ऐसा लग रहा था कि उसको टास्क मिला है, ठीक है, उससे मिलकर आओ, उससे मिलकर आओ, इसके पैर छू कर आओ, इससे ये इंट्रोडक्शन,
dude,
सबसे
thank God
पूछ
I
कर
know
आओ कि आपका सब सही चल रहा है, ये चल रहा है। एंड आई वाज लाइक, वो उन शादियों को अटेंड करने की आदत है मुझे, और ये वाली शादी वाज लाइक, अरे भाई ये तो मैं पहाड़ी पे आया हूं।
Does that friend of yours listen to?
No, of course not.
So the thing at our end and my end of the family was that we only invited my friends and my cousins who I'm close to. Even those who I'm not close to, I didn't even invite actually, because ठीक है यार, क्या मिल लोगे अगली बार कभी. Okay, so because my parents also are going through health issues, so they didn't want to have to entertain so many guests on their side. So they were like, we'll invite the cousins, we won't invite their parents even. I'm like, you're fine with that? My parents are like, yeah, okay. Then what do I care? मेरे uncle auntie नहीं आ रहे. ठीक है, चलो. Hopefully
Two less listeners, uncle और auntie.
So it was a blast, dude. I knew all my friends were there.
बहुत अच्छा था भाई, मतलब like
कितने drunk
I think this is the first wedding जिस पे the groom knows everybody by name.
Yeah, great.
स्टेज पे चिल्ला रहे, "Hey, आगा इधर अब."
Yeah, ऐसे ही
can't
होना
crack
चाहिए
that
यार. I don't know why we as Indians like invite
हाँ.
everybody and their third cousin.
Dude, but that's because that's
I
the
know,
thing.
वो ऐसा वो
Like,
नाक की बात हो जाती है ना भाई,
नहीं
कि-
नाक की, और also it's लोग बुरा मान जाते हैं यार. Even though you're not close, no, people बुरा मान ही जाते हैं. This is so
चूतिया लोग
stupid.
हैं और-
Talking about his relatives. So yeah, it was a fun time.
Fun.
One of my favorite moments was so Sangeet का event था, and we had to make an entry on an ATV.
Yeah,
That
I saw the
was
video
fucking
of
awesome,
that.
dude. That was the most fun thing. That was so
पता है एक और बहुत सही चीज थी, सो इनकी जो वरमाला का टाइम था ना, वो इन्होंने सनसेट प्लान किया था, ठीक है, वो तो मिस हुआ ही हुआ, वो
Just
दैट्स अ
miss
डिफरेंट
हुआ,
थिंग,
yes.
जस्ट मिस हुआ. बट ये इन्होंने एक रोल्स रॉयस का, पता नहीं वो मॉकअप था या पुरानी रोल्स रॉयस
हाँ,
थी
vintage car
या
model.
मॉडिफाइड रोल्स रॉयस थी, ये उस पे खड़े होकर डांस कर रहे हैं, ठीक है.
हाँ.
अब नॉर्मली क्या होता है, जो ड्राइवर्स या जो बैंड वाले होते हैं वो आगे तब बढ़ते हैं जब उनको पैसा मतलब कुछ दिया जाए, जैसे ग्रुप
अच्छा.
के ऊपर से वार के देते हैं ना, तो वो दिया जाए तो फिर वो गाड़ी आगे बढ़ाते हैं. ये बेचारा आधे घंटे तक एक ही स्पॉट पे डांस कर रहा है,
पैसे दो यार, मेरे पास अभी पॉकेट में चाहिए.
कोई उसको पैसे नहीं दे रहा. आंटी आगे कह रही है, आगे बढ़ाओ, आगे बढ़ाओ, आगे बढ़ाओ.
Dude, कितना मेरा ऑलरेडी कितना खर्चा किया हुआ हम लोगों ने.
and the person is doing this, ठीक है. so this means कि ग्रूम के ऊपर से वार के
Right,
मुझे
right,
दो.
right, right.
आंटी को समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि वो ये क्या कर रहा है.
हाँ करेक्ट, आगे जा रहा है.
आंटी कह रही है,
सर्कल लगा रहा है.
for 5 minutes I'm seeing this and I'm like, why is no
Oh, I did not even check this. That's so funny. Oh, that's hilarious.
आपको पता है इनके शादी पे पॉडकास्टिंग टेबल भी था एक अलग से.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
Who
शादी का
was
podcast.
on that?
शादी
It
का
was Antriksh
podcast.
और कीर्ति की शादी का podcast.
Yeah.
That's what it was. There was like a
Oh, nice.
like a sign behind it, and
Yeah.
brought table there. It was basically the friends could go, share anecdotes, stories about knowing us.
Oh.
The families
Are you
can go
gonna-
say hi, hello, like the Ashirwad beta, Sada Khush.
I wanna
Hamza Khush Rehna.
release that or send it to
I
people?
don't know. I saw some of it. It's actually pretty fun.
Right.
People were like Hoshang, Govind and all, Shreyas and all. They
Yeah.
were reviewing the food at the wedding.
That's the thing. A lot of your guest list was also comedians and podcasters.
Yeah, comedy
So,
podcasters. Yeah. So yeah, it was a blast, dude. So let's see. I might put it out on my channel as like one video or something. Like
मेरे को लगा let's see. I might do another wedding one of these.
I'm thinking, dude,
Season 2.
I can absolutely make this a business, dude. People would want to remember their wedding in like a different way.
Yeah.
Through a podcast.
शादी के एल्बम की जगह अब शादी का पॉडकास्ट बनेगा.
Yeah. If you're watching this and are about to
शादी
get
के-
married, get in
correct.
touch.
Absolutely, because I'll make it happen, man. It's for me, it's very easy. For you, you won't be able to. So get in touch.
Nice.
Okay, so okay. Also, I must say, I've always been told that the groom and the bride and the groom don't enjoy their own wedding.
Yeah.
हाँ.
They won't eat. They won't get to drink much.
Clearly.
मैं वही तो बता रहा था.
I had a blast. Okay, I made sure I ate as much as I could, drank as much as I could. Kirti only made sure she drank. She didn't get to eat, but on the first night she passed out, dude, because she got drunk so much. It was crazy. Oh my god, it was so fun. So yeah, I had a blast. Huge congrats to us. Thank you guys. I know you're saying in the comments. Let's move on.
मेरा आप like you would wonder अंतरिक्ष इटली गया तो वो इटली से क्या लाया है?
Curry mango sauce.
Sauce.
Curry mango sauce.
Bro, I found this delicacy in it's I don't know. मेरे को ऑनलाइन सर्च किया इंडिया में कि मिलती है क्या?
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
दोनों
इंडिया
मिल रही
में
ब्रो.
है नहीं.
तीनों इंडिया में
चीजें-
यू बाय पे यू बाय तो सेकंड हैंड नहीं है. वो
करी
second hand
मैंगो और सॉस तीनों इंडियन चीजें हैं बट
पर
you
इंडिया में
got
नहीं
it
मिलते.
from
Correct.
Italy.
Milk
It
नहीं
is
है
what
यहाँ
it is.
पे.
Let's search कर.
No,
मिलेगी
but
कुछ
even if
8,000
you-
रुपए की मिलेगी इंपोर्ट होके.
What the fuck?
Even if you get it, it won't be the same, bro. Like the Kit Kat in India, Kit Kat in the Gulf tastes different.
That's
So
true.
does McDonald's.
You're right.
So yeah, it won't be the
Fuck
same.
bro, it's
It's 8,000 rupees
2,769 rupees.
for a bottle.
For a bottle of
For this bottle.
that tiny bottle. I'll show you guys.
Yeah.
I don't even care that I'm promoting Heinz. It's that fucking good. This guys.
Heinz,
this,
please
this is what it is.
sponsor us, I guess.
This is what it is. It is the best thing in the world. Curry mango.
भाई टेस्टी तो
sauce.
है वैसे, no doubt about
बहुत ज्यादा भाई बहुत ज्यादा.
it. बड़ी बॉटल इसकी है 3,700 रुपए की और ये साला पिचकू है इसका 2,700 रुपए. भाई क्या चल रहा है भाई?
भाई हमने ढूंढने हैं.
रेंट छोड़ के सॉस खरीद लेते हैं.
So also like one of the best things I did in Italy. I was in Italy for the New Year's
we
honeymoon.
got that, yeah.
Okay. One of the best things, the most fun things was going to Pompeii. You guys know the history of Pompeii, the city of Pompeii?
Got
नहीं.
destroyed, right?
So basically, it was engulfed in ash.
Yeah.
काफी ही वेग और ब्रॉड नहीं बोलती. It got destroyed.
But
he's
yeah,
right.
that's yeah.
He's not
that's
wrong.
what-
It is the ruins now. He's not wrong.
Sorry, in Gulf. My bad.
So it was
Yeah.
engulfed in volcanic ash, like in an instant.
Yeah.
So what happened was a nearby dormant volcano back in the day. As in like परसों हुआ नहीं. This is in
Saturday
ago.
close to like like close to BC and shit, dude.
BC, right? Yeah.
Yeah. So Mount Vesuvius exploded.
Wow, dude.
Okay.
याद करके आया भाई
Exploded,
पॉम्पे से.
erupted, sorry. Exploded. And the ash from that volcano like instantly engulfed the entire
City.
city to the point where people died. Like अगर कोई खाना बना था ना, they died in that position.
Yeah.
So people
It's
are
not a-
fossilized in that position and shit, dude.
Doesn't look like a very romantic place to go.
Why would you go there on your honeymoon,
I
Antariksha
mean,
Oh,
bhai?
you're celebrating.
But the
death with
fossils are still there.
Some of them have been taken to Naples because this comes under the maintenance of Naples in
Okay.
the district of Naples. Pompeii does.
तो मतलब वहाँ पे खड़े हुए लोग मतलब as in
Dude, Vesa,
what the
this was
fuck?
famously, if you look this up, there's a person who died while masturbating. It exists. I'm not even kidding.
Hey man,
There
if
is
there
a-
was a way to go.
There's a guy who's like clearly doing this.
Wait, but didn't they see the volcano coming? Like,
Dude, you would think.
or was this guy's like, I volcano on it?
Yeah,
What are these fucking?
it is what it is.
I don't know. It's like,
It is like actually a very detailed city. Like it's huge and humongous. You won't even realize how big it is. Like
What? The
immaculate-
city?
The city.
what is?
You don't even realize, man. It's a huge pecker.
No wonder he died.
It's like बहुत time जा रहा है इसमें.
But yeah, so that was like a huge highlight. So we didn't see the guy who was masturbating. He died. His body is in Naples. His body is in Naples because well, in that museum there in Naples. In Pompeii, they kept a few, but just to show people, but not many. But like you can see the houses, you can see the ruins.
Yeah.
Right.
They lived like the great baths, like how in Indus Valley civilization also you
Yeah,
can
yeah,
see the massive baths. And all
Yeah.
as well. So similarly here.
Bathing was a
Asia.
big thing in the old times.
Oh, you don't think it is
Bathing
now?
communally.
You-
Bathing communally, like.
Yeah, community,
Yeah.
correct. Yeah.
Oh, groups में नहाते थे.
Yeah.
हाँ bro. तूने कभी नहीं नहाया साथ किसी के साथ.
Clean.
Sorry, auntie. Okay, चलो. Coming back then.
Yeah, this is not a marriage podcast, guys.
हाँ
it's,
dude,
it's a movie
हम लोग अंतरिक्ष
podcast.
शादी के बारे में बात. Actually यार please like forgive us for this because हम लोग मिले ही तीनों इतने
बहुत
टाइम बाद
time बाद
है.
है, हाँ.
अंतरिक्ष की शादी के बाद तो I think आप और अब्बास पहली बार ही मिल रहे हो.
हाँ,
हाँ,
correct.
हाँ.
Yeah. I tried a lot to meet her. Like, bro, आजा शादी पे आजा.
अब्बास was like मैं पहले सो लेता हूँ.
And जो सोया है वो 3 महीने. Okay, so what are you talking about in this episode?
We are talking about all the trailers that have been dumped upon us. एक के बाद एक.
Yeah.
तू ट्रेलर देख ले. पूरे जनवरी में कोई पिक्चर नहीं रिलीज करूंगा मैं पर तू ट्रेलर देखता रहे.
So 3 तो came out on the same day.
Yeah,
The Skyforce, Deva, and the greatest trailer of all time.
Badass Ravi Kumar.
Ravi
Oh,
Kumar.
चला गया वहाँ से. Shit.
ओए sunflowers आ गए.
Okay. हाँ, Badass Ravi Kumar, the greatest trailer of all time.
Greatest trailer of all time. I think it's a like if are we talking about the trailer Badass Ravi Kumar already?
Yeah, go right ahead.
Dude, I think it is the greatest trailer of all times because so this is what I would imagine, that the trailer is very self-aware and it is a very conscious decision to make a film and cut a trailer like this. I don't think
you think. I actually think that Himesh is not this self-aware.
Even I
Or-
have
or
my
this
doubts
meta
about
even.
that. Yeah, even I have my doubts about that.
Yeah.
I feel like that the trailer is made to look self-aware. Or I don't know. I mean, the thing is like Himesh on Instagram also, he makes these weird reels, right? Like there's a reel he makes from gyms and whatever.
Yeah.
It's very rare for an Indian celebrity to be self-aware of their meme cache. There's the expose universe is behind me.
अब आपको दिख रहा होगा कि magically पीछे
Ravi Kumar.
Ravi Kumar.
Ravi Kumar है.
Badass Ravi Kumar.
Badass.
There's one slate on the trailer which makes us believe it's self-aware, right? When it says 80s cinema.
No.
Because the thing is like in India, in Bollywood, 80s is like the least favorite decade, right? 70s was like pot boilers, whatever. 60s was classic cinema. 80s में ही वो धर्मेंद्र टाइप की पिक्चरें आती थी, फौलादी और
क्या भी आपने बोला कि धर्मेंद्र
जल्लादी।
टाइप का जो सिनेमा था वो
यानी
सबसे
धर्मेंद्र लेटर करियर ऑफ धर्मेंद्र, नॉट पीक।
मतलब जब कोई गोली मारे तो वो हाथ को
से
रख
रुका
के
ले,
कर
फौलादी, जल्लादी, वो सारी फिल्म मिथुन की फिल्में।
हाँ
All that unsmoked cigarettes.
Yes,
All
like Badass Ravi
या
Kumar.
साइकिल के पीछे छुप के गोलियां चलाना
Yes. Though the thing is that this seems to be paying homage to that kind of cinema.
Yeah.
Now, is it by design or is it like after the movie was made, someone saw this and like, man, this is
No,
so
so-
bad. So now let's promote
Double
it in
down.
such a way
Yeah.
that it
Double
feels
down,
like
yeah.
it's so bad that it's good.
So that's what I'm saying. So even if you think that Himesh is not that self-aware, which I think that he is, भाई म्यूजिकल जीनियस रियल मतलब ऐसा बाकी एस्पेक्ट्स में इतना घटी मतलब मंदबुद्धि नहीं हो सकता।
That's actually would be right.
वो
yeah, would be right.
भाई हिमेश रेशमिया ने लिटरली एक एरा डिफाइन किया
of
है
course,
म्यूजिक
yeah,
का,
no,
ठीक है।
no doubt.
तो आई वुड फील कि ही इज ऑल्सो सेल्फ अवेयर एंड आई थिंक भाई आज के टाइम में ना एक्टर सांस भी नहीं, सेलिब्रिटी सांस भी नहीं लेता बिना पीआर के, ठीक है। तो आई फील हिमेश का भी पीआर ऑल्सो knows what will work. So you know I'll tell you, अभी अपने फतेह का ट्रेलर देखा, राइट? हमने स्काई फोर्स का ट्रेलर देखा. They wanted to make a good film
And failed.
I mean,
and ट्रेलर से लग रहा है कि this will not be what
They set out to make.
they basically
Yeah.
but Fateh just seems like they saw the
एनिमल का 20
they saw
मिनट
the
का
Arjun Valley song
yeah, and
of
they were like,
Animal, and they were
what
like,
if this was a movie?
3-hour movie, yes.
तो I think
And Skyforce people saw Fighter
and they were like इसको हम कम पैसे में कैसे बना सकते हैं?
कि सारा पैसा अक्षय कुमार को देना
अक्षय को ले
पड़ेगा।
लिया. So the thing is, I think हिमेश रेशमिया played into that because you know what happened जब सोशल मीडिया पे ये इतना तेरे शरीर में इतना खून नहीं होगा जितना रवि कुमार एक बार में मूत देता है, ये वाला डायलॉग ना ट्रेंड करने लग गया था सोशल मीडिया पे, वायरल होने लग गया था. एंड उस आई थिंक उसके ही कुछ महीनों बाद दे अनाउंस्ड एक टीजर, जो हमने पहले देखा ना कि पहले इन्होंने टीजर निकाला था, फिर एकदम ही अनरिलेटेड पिक्चर बना दिया है उस चीज से.
So the teaser was released 2 years back.
Yeah, so the teaser was released 2 years back.
Completely different hair, you know, that colored wala
हाँ,
short hair that
हाँ,
Himesh used to-
exactly.
that one.
पहले एकदम ही कुछ अलग था और अब उन्होंने उसको फिर पूरी फिल्म बना दी. तो मुझे लग रहा है दे सॉ द वायरलिटी फैक्टर, दे ट्राइड टू कैपिटलाइज ऑन दैट एंड देन दे रियलाइज दैट दिस कैन बी समथिंग बिगर. You know, you, I, Antariksh, all three of us might actually go to the theaters and
Yeah,
watch it.
That's true.
ठीक है, and you will not go and watch Skyforce.
There's-
No, not
he
at all.
won't, for sure.
You won't. Yeah.
No.
So that's what I'm saying.
I also
So,
might not.
so
Mostly
that's
not.
हो सकता है Skyforce से शायद मैं भी ना जाऊँ देखने. So the thing is कि
And you're a Akshay Kumar fan.
Yeah,
still.
but if Ajay Devgan goes into an aircraft and makes it come alive, then he'll watch it.
Ajay Devgan.
Tarzan the Wonder Gun.
Oh, deep reference. Huh?
saw Adele rolling in it. But yeah, so I think this is a very self-aware trailer. He knows what he's doing. His PR knows what he's doing. This film will collect money.
It will.
खम्मा ने शेयर किया भाई स्टोरी पे.
Bro,
He's like first day first show जाऊंगा मैं
No, but
देखने.
that's the thing, no. We are like, I am interested in going and watching it because, like I said, it seems self-aware.
Yeah.
So it seems like the kind of film you go and you have fun with.
Yeah.
कि ये वो पिक्चर है जहाँ पे जब वो डायलॉग मारेगा, जब
तो लोग
कुछ
सीटियां मार
जब
रहे
कुछ
होंगे.
अतरंगी सी
Yeah.
चीज होगी और लोग हंसेंगे तो वो इंसल्ट नहीं होगी पिक्चर
Bro,
की,
they're
वो
actually
इंटेंडेड
yeah,
रिस्पॉन्स होगा.
They're actually addressing the fact that he's making all these weird ass dialogues by
Yeah.
someone claiming कि हर चीज के बाद डायलॉग क्यों मारता है भाई तू?
And then he's like हर सीन से पहले एक वो आता ही है.
हर एक्शन
Bro,
सीक्वेंस के पहले
within 30 seconds he cuts a person in two
With a
with
chainsaw.
with a
Yeah.
machete.
chainsaw bro.
Machete बोलते हैं ना उसको.
Chainsaw बोलते हैं भाई.
machete.
Machete is what gang people use
okay,
in
sorry.
Mexico.
My bad.
Like a big knife, like a
What
sickle knife.
Indians can't use it a word.
No, but it's from there.
खेल लो
Machete.
खेल लो ये कर लो थोड़ी देर.
The word is from
Machete
there.
क्या
I
होता है?
have a question for both of you. How many Himesh films have you seen?
Zero.
Have you seen Aapka Sarur? Aapka Sarur?
No.
Qarz?
Yes.
You
Yes.
have?
No.
I've seen
What was
Qarz.
good? Good.
Qarz.
film.
was
Also
a good
directed
film?
by. It was a good film. It was also directed by Subhash Ghai, if I'm not wrong.
भाई कर्ज का ओरिजिनल वाला अच्छा फिल्म.
हाँ, the remake also was not bad.
हाँ मतलब
Really?
Yeah.
I thought you just made bad films up to now.
it's the same story.
You've seen
There's-
it.
I think I've seen it and I didn't mind it. That's the thing.
I highly doubt it, dude.
Radio. Man ka radio.
नहीं, I haven't seen
good
Radio.
Okay, so and then after the expose, which this film is
Expose
a
I haven't watched,
part
but I have watched one film which you didn't mention,
of. which is
which is called Damadam.
Bro,
yes. What is Damadam? It came out
Bro,
in 2011.
Yeah, wow, ये मैंने तब देखी थी.
नहीं देखी बाद में होगी.
नहीं हाँ मतलब नहीं मैंने देख ली थी उस टाइम पे. दमादम मूवी का ही है ना वो गाना लाइक मैंगो. एक बार देखना सॉन्ग्स में है वो. उसके बारे में मेंशन भी कर चुका हूँ इस पॉडकास्ट पे पहले 1-2 बारी.
Okay, there's a
bro,
song.
let me just say, Curse is directed by Satish Kaushik, by the way.
There's a song called Mango. It was directed by Satish
Satish
Kaushik.
Kaushik.
Okay.
And-
There's a song called
and,
Mango,
wait,
right?
And it is rated 30% Rotten Tomatoes and 2.3 on IMDb. So I don't think you are right.
हिंदी फिल्मों के लिए हम लोग Rotten Tomatoes क्यों देख रहे हैं यार? उतने
मतलब
critics
पर-
हैं ही नहीं.
पर 30% तो मतलब अच्छी तो ना होगी यार.
Was it a hit तो?
कैसे हो सकती है हिट भाई?
I think it
कैसे
because
हो
Himesh
सकती
was
है?
at his peak of his
अरे
powers
एक्टिंग
at
की
that
पीक
time.
नहीं थी वो, गानों की पीक थी उसकी.
आपका सुरूर also was not a flop by
फ्लॉप
the
बोल
way.
रहे हैं अभी.
अच्छा ओके तो हो सकता है होगी कर्ज फ्लॉप बट आपका जरूर वाज अ हिट.
बट मैं दमादम की बात कर रहा हूँ. दमादम में
सॉन्ग कॉल्ड मैंगो.
या सो दमादम मैंने देखी है एक्चुअली. एंड पता है लाइक आफ्टर वॉचिंग द फिल्म आई एंड माई मॉम लाइक आई थिंक हम लोग ये रात को 1-1:30 बजे बैठ के देख रहे हैं. ठीक है. एंड मूवी खत्म होने के बाद ये गाना आता है बीच में, जब तुम जाती हो जल्दी नहीं आती हो, आई मिस यू बेबी लाइक मैंगो.
इतनी शिद्दत से गाया है
I swear.
दिल ने. हाँ.
ठीक है.
या डूड मैंगो को आने में बहुत टाइम तो लगता है.
एग्जैक्टली डूड. तो
Because you got a mango achar. No, not achar.
Mango,
sauce.
curry sauce, curry mango
Heinz
sauce.
curry mango. Heinz sponsor us.
so anyway and you were like कि अगर ये फिल्म कोई हाफ डिसेंट एक्टर करता ना
हाँ.
तो शायद चल भी जाती.
Bro, here's a weird thing, and I have Himesh's Wikipedia page in front of me. So he does 5 films.
this
And,
is 6 is
and
what
then in 2012 he does Khiladi 786 in which apparently he has a role.
ये सब
And
supporting
he-
actor.
And he's nominated for Stardust Breakthrough Performance Award after 5 films. Why is he breaking through after 5 films? I don't know.
मतलब he finally broke through.
like, उसका केटी लग रहा था 5 साल से.
हाँ bro.
अब फाइनली उसने क्लियर 33 ले आया 100 में से.
Also, there was Aapka Surur. There was another movie in 2016 called Tera Surur, which again Himesh was the lead of.
Dude, okay,
Wow.
So you know how I always follow KRK, right?
Yeah.
He's the greatest reviewer of all time.
Of all times. Of all
We all
time.
know this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he has now started a series where I'm forgetting the name of the series now, but it's an ongoing regular series that he does every week, okay, or maybe even twice a week and all sometimes.
Yeah.
Where it's just a roundup of all the Bollywood news.
Oh yeah. Yes,
okay?
you're right.
Like
yes.
he just reads out the news, the headline, and then give his tippani on it. Okay, usually it's something demeaning about Arjun Kapoor. अरे इस गधे को तो एक्टिंग भी नहीं आती, एक और पिक्चर में इसको लगता है सिंघम में जाके.
and you know
Like,
that-
always
and like-
insulting, always insulting.
And then he'll be like, अरे इसको एक्टिंग में आती.
अरे भाई क्या
अरे
करते हो
भाई हमें माफ कर दो, हमें बख्श
Yeah,
दो.
that's exactly it. That's right. Exactly, right? That's his tone of the entire thing. He always like reads something.
Snehal,
usually
please
read-
watch better things.
Yeah. Calls people Gardullah, calls people,
भाई.
calls Salman Budhau,
बुढ़ाऊ.
all that.
हाँ, yeah,
के-
that-
भाई
that-
सिकंदर के टीजर के बारे में बात करेंगे. लाइक अरे बुढ़ाऊ छोड़ दे बुढ़ाऊ, इससे झुका तो नहीं जा रहा.
So he, KRK, loved Badass Kabhi Kabhi Kumar trailer, dude.
Bro,
Dude, I also loved it.
everybody
Dude,
loves
it's
Loved it.
That's
Dude,
what I'm saying,
You're not
dude.
understanding what I mean by that. You know, this guy doesn't understand the greatest movies.
Yeah,
Doesn't
yeah,
like the greatest. Like
yeah.
3 Idiots, he probably thought was the worst movie
Yeah,
ever made.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, you're also, you can become.
Am I also?
You should be become a reviewer, bro. This guy made fucking Deshdrohi.
Yeah.
Bro, and
Okay.
you know he announced Deshdrohi 2 also, by the way.
He
Yeah,
offered Amitabh Bachchan a role on it.
Oh wow, dude.
Yeah.
And Amitabh said no. What a
I mean, Amitabh said, इस पे विचार किया जाएगा. Yeah.
KBC
Oh,
पे
he
बोला
was-
था क्या आगे?
No, something.
Big Boss.
I think Big Boss. हाँ.
Big Boss से
Yeah,
बोला था.
yeah.
Fuck, bro.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Okay. So anyway, he loved this. He
So yeah, this. I hope it's a fun movie. I hope it's not. हमें मतलब ये इस झांसे में
झांसा ना दे
fun
दिया.
movie होगी.
नहीं नहीं,
So,
I think
बकवास movie.
I think it
See,
will
the thing
be
is
a
like,
very
so,
self-aware film.
Again, like Himesh Ravi Kumar cutting someone in 2 pieces.
Yeah.
The horrible CGI, all of
Horrible
that. In
CGI,
this
dude.
movie, it somehow it's like it's fun. It makes sense.
Yeah, yeah.
When I see that in Skyforce, where Akshay Kumar is giving this.
Skyforce.
Yeah, Adele has sung the title song for it.
Exactly.
Adele hasn't. Lata Mangeshkar has, by the way. For
She has really?
Yeah.
आप ट्रेलर
Oh, yeah, correct,
जरा
yeah,
आँख में भर लो पानी.
I thought
कह रहा
she's dead, dude. Are you sure?
Skyforce में Akshay Kumar is giving this righteous speech about Deshbhakti, and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
you see crappy CGI.
Yeah.
I'm like, man, then it's just not.
Yeah, it's not
Also-
camp. If we're going for camp,
Exactly,
be
yeah,
more
yeah,
camp,
yeah.
Also, why would you release
Fighter 2.
Fighter 2?
Because Fighter 1 didn't do it right, dude.
2 Fighter 2.
So एक तो पहले ही एक तो तेजस बना दी
See,
कंगना ने.
firstly, you have
Bro,
to
I
understand.
am on record saying Tejas was better than Fighter.
Okay, but also you have to understand that
Yeah.
most Indians have
आप
not.
गधे इनको आकाश को बिठाओ वापस.
Guys, see,
Bro, I am one of the 5 people who saw Tejas on Z5.
Bro,
And Tejas
guys-
was more fun than Fighter.
guys, Tejas, Fighter, and Skyforce were all doomed to fail from the get-go.
Huh.
Because 80% of Indians are not traveled by air. Do you know
80, 90,
whatever he
90%.
said, dude, whatever number Siddharth Anand threw out there, that number of people, 110% of Indians have not
and
traveled.
bro, the thing is again like कौन तेरा बाप हिंदुस्तान.
Yeah,
Why
man.
like you know the thing
That's
is
the
कि
Gadarification.
the thing is
has
ना
occurred.
भाई
Right?
आपने चलो फाइटर वाला प्लॉट तो है ठीक है, चलो एक हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट है, एयर स्ट्राइक हुआ, तुम उसके ऊपर पिक्चर बना रहे हो, ठीक है, चलो मैंने वो फिर भी मान ली वो बात. तुमने देखा कि लिटरली 1 साल पहले, एग्जैक्टली 1 साल पहले, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, टू बी लिटरल एक्चुअली, वो भी
25
रिपब्लिक डे
जनवरी को
ये
release
भी
है.
रिपब्लिक डे
हाँ,
रिलीज है.
हाँ.
सेम प्लॉट पे सेम जिंगोइज्म ट्रीटमेंट के साथ फिल्म नहीं चली. Why would you do that again? Why would you row your boat down the same
To
stream?
be fair, we don't know when this went on floors and everything. Maybe it's one of those films that was made in.
Then do the changes now,
2022.
dude. Then
But
do
then
the changes.
that brings me to the larger question of again Akshay Kumar going down this route, where for the last so many films that he has tried to do, play the righteous, patriot. इसमें तो एक line भी है, I think, जिसको हम patriotism कहते हैं or something.
हाँ, जो इस पागलपन को हम पे
Yeah. Again, like, why is he not?
So the only redeeming factor for me when it comes to Skyforce is that it is from the same team that gave us 3-2
Yeah,
and like the
Maddox
horror.
films,
Yeah,
which is
and
very
Dinesh
weird.
Vijayan. So
Yeah.
मतलब अभी वो by the way Maddox films ने अपना पूरा वो
2028
slate
Yeah.
भाई कह रहे
महायुद्ध-
Avengers की माँ की
महायुद्ध-
आँख, ठीक है.
महायुद्ध,
हाँ.
पहला महायुद्ध, दूसरा महायुद्ध.
उसमें एक्चुअली स्काईफोर्स की ट्रेलर लॉन्च में जब दिनेश और अक्षय साथ में थे तो एक जर्नलिस्ट ने पूछा भी था कि सॉरी बट आई कांट लाइक नॉट आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन व्हाइल बोथ ऑफ यू आर ऑन स्टेज दैट स्त्री 2 देखी है ना आपने. तो उसमें वो कैमियो है ना अक्षय का, एंड उसमें एंड में वो पोस्ट क्रेडिट में वो विलन बन जाता है. तो उसने पूछा कि अक्षय के लिए बिगर प्लान्स हैं हॉरर यूनिवर्स में नहीं है, तो ही वाज लाइक ही इज the Thanos of our.
अच्छा, ये बोल दिया है?
Yeah.
Oh.
He's the Thanos of our.
He's
universe.
inevitable.
And now,
Why spoil it?
now the recent rumors are that they want to build like a team of villains, which probably like they are trying to rope in Shah Rukh for that, and Shah Rukh like they are writing some negative role
villain?
as villain in the horror universe. Anyway, ये तो चलो वहाँ पे चले गए, but Skyforce में, so yeah, I think the only redeeming factor is कि ये स्त्री की
What if
horror-
it's a surprise? We go in to watch Skyforce and midway through the film we
वो
realize
स्त्री
it's
three
it's
start हो
part
जाए.
of the horror universe, horror comedy universe.
The plane is actually Ajay Devgan. He has come alive.
Pakistanis find out about Stree.
Yes.
They're like, oh Stree.
ओ स्त्री
Oh
कल आना.
मोहतरमा. कल आइए.
Dude, so बस वही है यार. Like the thing is कि पेट्रियोटिज्म और नेशनलिज्म से किसी को आई डोंट थिंक प्रॉब्लम होगा, बट जब वो ऐसा हैमर करना स्टार्ट कर देते हो एंड वो तुम्हारा बाप हिंदुस्तान टाइप डायलॉग्स.
But now, I mean, 26 January ko, don't you think it's like that's the kind of film people would go watch? I agree it's like one day, but I don't know.
So
I doubt,
recently,
bro.
Snehal and I had talked about Sarfira and how it was one of the good films
Yeah.
of last year, right?
हाँ.
And there is a reel that is going viral right now.
कि वो टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर से पढ़ रहा है.
हाँ, teleprompter वाला, correct.
मतलब मुझे नहीं लगा कि
Movie नहीं लगा, but
हाँ.
when shown in the reel, you can clearly see that he's right. He is reading the teleprompter.
Okay. मैंने
So, even if you did so, what Marlon Brando, you know the story, right? In Godfather,
He is being shouted the
his lines are taped on the chest of the guy who's standing in front
Oh,
of him.
that's hilarious, dude.
और ये this is not like a new
And then
thing.
did they also take them to the back of the cat that he's petting?
The cat, the story goes, was just,
He's just roaming around, yeah,
roaming
correct,
around in the
correct.
studio.
So ये तो हमने अगर आप बॉलीवुड जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की जो फिल्म्स बनी है, जिन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री पे जो फिल्म्स बनी है, उसमें फेमसली दिखाते हैं कि डायलॉग्स बड़े-बड़े उस पे लिख के सामने रखे
Cue
जाते
cards
हैं.
पे, हाँ.
तो that's
I refuse to believe Salman doesn't do that. I'm sure he does.
100%.
Yeah.
So on Big Boss, if he's ever hosting, firstly,
yeah.
he has that thing in his ear, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
And you can clearly see Salman takes such big breaks between his sentences. People are telling him line by line, अब ये बोलो, अब ये बोलो, अब ये बोलो. अब ये
Yeah.
बोलो.
हाँ मतलब ठीक
Even
है.
in Ghumar, I was sitting with the lines, Abhishek's lines. And he was,
Were
he
you really?
wasn't.
Oh shit.
पता है कितना बड़ा क्लेम करते करते चुप हुआ है ये अभी.
क्या
ठीक है.
I thought you were getting an inside scoop.
पता है कल रेडिट पे थ्रेड बन चुका होता है इस चीज का.
Abhishek can't even do one drunk scene with bald boy here.
But
Okay,
but
I don't know if you want to keep this in the episode or not,
We
but
do. What
he
is it?
did learn the lines after he came on set.
That's
no,
fine.
that's fine.
That's again very acceptable.
अभिषेक बच्चन है.
But was he on time on set?
I don't know what the
सर
time
हैप्पी
was.
यार चल रहा है.
हाँ.
यही था.
मेरे टाइम के हिसाब से वो नहीं
So he came on happy hour time.
मैं उसके टाइम के हिसाब से के इर्द गिर्द
Did you go on time?
I was just called and I went.
What do you mean?
सर आपका शॉट बारटेंडर कौन है? हाँ उसका शॉट आ गया and I went.
No, but you had
No,
been,
so
there was a call time for the
we
set.
were on set for 2 days. Both the days our call time was at 8 in the morning.
Okay, yeah.
But my shot came at around 11:30, 12, and
that's
we
pretty good.
actually started shooting around 1:30.
And how long did your scene take? Like, did you have to be there for?
Long 1:30 nahi, or be late. I think it was around 3 o'clock or something because the sun had started setting by the time we were done. So
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
yeah.
But then you got done like in a few hours. and
In a
then
few
that's
hours,
it.
yeah.
Oh, good time, man.
No, but then there was another scene which is there in the movie for only a few seconds, for which we shot the whole night, जहाँ पे bartender का काम सिर्फ पीछे खड़ा रहना था. तो मैं पूरी रात सिर्फ खड़ा रहा था.
Damn, dude. और अब आपसे पॉडकास्ट नहीं रिकॉर्ड हो रहा 12 बजे. यार उबासी आ रही है. ये जो आपको बीच में अब्रप्ट कट दिख रहा है ना वो इसीलिए ही है क्योंकि अब्बास उबासी ले रहा है बीच में.
My name for this episode is Abbasi.
So talking
Thank you for my TED talk. Thanks for coming.
Talking
to my
about
TED
acting work, right? I once had gotten it was an ad for. Have I to share the story? I was doing an ad where I was playing a sari salesman.
What?
Okay,
Okay.
I was playing a sari salesman in the ad. Okay, so I'm
Wait,
on
is this
set.
ad online?
Wait, no.
Okay.
So I was going, whatever. I'm on the set. We're actually shooting at a sari store.
Okay.
An actual store. I forgot the seasons or something. Some big store it was. And they are showing me the way to unfurl a sari. There's a particular way of doing it. Okay, so you put out the sari. So first I reach the set, and by looking at me, this is the first time the director is looking at me clearly, right? because he seems disappointed because I don't
Oh, yeah,
look
I think you've
like
told
a
me.
sari salesman, you know.
You did this in stand up, if I'm not wrong. This story.
Maybe once or something.
Yeah.
Okay, so then I start to the best of my
Yeah,
ability, start
yeah.
unfolding the sari. Okay, the guy who's teaching me is actually a sari salesman
Right.
from the store. Okay, so I try a few times, एक दो बार नहीं हो रहा.
आपको निकाल के उसी को बोला क्या करने कह रहा इसको जिसको हम दिन का 30,000 दे रहे हैं एक्टिंग करने का.
Dude, I literally I was more pissed that they didn't take me in the ad. I don't want money for free. I want to be out there as an actor, get exposure. Hilarious. They actually literally just said, okay, तू जरा साइड में वहाँ पे बैठो. Okay, भैया आप करना एक बार.
सेल्फ एस्टीम कचरे में भाई.
Bro, poor guy, he didn't have an artist card. How the fuck did he do this? Union! Film Actors Union.
बेचारा
But yes,
bro,
right.
shit bro, अंतरिक्ष
Good
भाई, so
times.
sorry यार.
It happens, man.
I feel
How else
so
would I get
bad
these
for you.
stories? How else would I get these stories? Now let's hear your bad acting experience. Oh,
हाँ,
तूने
मेरे
की
को
नहीं है. Okay, go
काम
ahead.
ही नहीं मिला ना. 2 म्यूजिक वीडियो करे, फिर
music
उसके
video
बाद
बना,
म्यूजिक
हाँ.
वीडियोस करे, एक शॉर्ट फिल्म की है बस.
Okay, coming then after Badass Ravi Kumar,
Deva, right?
Skyforce.
Oh, Skyforce.
Skyforce.
What else do you want to talk about Skyforce?
What else are we here for? Deva.
Are we done with Skyforce? Anything else?
ओ
you wanna
स्काईफोर्स
add?
में डेब्यू हो रहा है इसका, वीर पहाड़िया का.
Whose
कौन
son
है?
is he?
Pahadia, Mr. Pahadia.
मिस्टर पहाड़िया, यस.
Not a nepo baby.
अ रिच बेबी.
Oh, okay.
सो जितना मुझे पता है इसके बारे में, दिस कुड बी लाइक बहुत ही ऐसा, मैं डम डाउन कर रहा हूँ उसके पोजीशन को, आई गेस.
Okay.
बट जानवी कपूर का जो बॉयफ्रेंड है उसका छोटा भाई है.
कौन है जानवी कपूर का बॉयफ्रेंड?
शिखर पहाड़िया, शिखू,
Oh, अच्छा.
उसका छोटा भाई है वीर पहाड़िया.
अच्छा.
Okay.
Okay.
एंड रूमर हैज इट दैट जो जिसमें सारा अली खान और वीर का पेयरिंग है ना, आई थिंक दे वर आल्सो इन अ रिलेशनशिप, या इन लोग का ब्रेकअप हो गया था एंड देन दे डिड दिस फिल्म.
Oh.
मुझे लाइक आई थिंक द पहाड़िया ब्रदर्स आर relevant to the industry in this way only,
Yeah,
as
because
of
the
now
Pahadiyas-
at least.
Well, what does Shikhar Pahadia do? He's not an
Date
actor.
Janvi, bro. Like,
It's a full-time profession, bro. She pays him.
bro, no, एक second. Like,
He's
what
a
else do you want to do? You like won over the world at this point.
What? Can
Oh,
you like
okay.
Janvi that much?
Bro, you don't find Janvi pretty?
No, man.
अब
I
तो
find-
बोलना पड़ेगा ना.
I find her hot. I don't find her pretty.
I find her okay.
Okay.
हाँ,
Antariksh,
अच्छा.
yeah. Your wife's not in the room.
ये
okay,
एक महीने
you can-
पहले पूछते तो जवाब वाला होता है इसका.
But her
नहीं, नहीं,
sister.
he's into Sanya, bro. Not
Dude,
Janvi.
have you? So there's a new movie coming out with Khushi Kapoor, Jani's sister,
लव्यापा,
Lavya Appa, with what's
आमिर
Amir's
son,
son.
Junaid,
Junaid
Yeah,
Khan.
yeah, dude, there's a song from it called Lavya Appa.
लव्यापा. Yeah.
Actually, pretty catchy. Have you heard the song, guys? Have you
I
heard?
saw.
It's being trolled though. Yeah.
Yeah.
I know it is, but dude, you listen to it, it's actually quite catchy.
ऊपर से महाराज के बाद अगर
हाँ,
वो
exactly,
डायरेक्टली
थोड़ा
लव्यापा
अजीब लग
करता है तो फिर वो अजीब भी लग रहा है ना थोड़ा.
I mean, मैंने
Also,
महाराज
I mean, no, I mean, I know he seems like a good guy, but he seems a bit older for.
Bro, he
young
is 32.
Boy. Yeah, young boy.
31 or
you know,
32, I
these,
think.
These romantic lead type roles.
या वो ईशान खट्टर को लेना चाहिए था,
हाँ.
है ना. I love how we only have one name for a young
Young guy.
actor.
There's
Always.
there's no one else who looks that young.
For
dude.
recasting.
I swear.
Ishan can still pass off as a
A
school
young,
student
yeah.
That's true. Yeah.
in late school.
But let's
yeah.
do the next trailer which released. Which
Which is
teaser actually.
Ishan's brother.
Yeah.
But would you want to, like, would you go and watch Skyforce?
I don't think I'm even going to watch it on streaming.
Can we make a prediction? How much do you think Badass Ravi earns, and how much do you think Skyfall
I think Badass Ravi Kumar will earn the most out of the films that we're going to discuss today.
Sure, that I don't doubt that.
Possible, yeah.
Yeah.
शायद देवा से कम कमाए, but I think Skyforce से ज्यादा कमाएगी. Badass.
Yeah.
Do you think there's a slight chance that Skyforce actually turns out to be like a better film than Fighter?
No.
No?
I don't think so.
Maddox films.
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ, वो मेरे लिए एक redeeming factor है, no doubt about it.
Akshay also, I mean, for what all said and done, seems to be in his ballpark. Like he knows how to
So
do this.
again, पता है मुझे लग रहा है कि like everybody has been saying this for like 2 years now that Akshay needs to step back, go back to the drawing board and see क्या है क्या नहीं है. And he is for some reason adamant that मैं नहीं करूँगा, मैं तो करूँगा 1 साल में 4 पिक्चरें. But dude, लाइक आई थिंक मैं आपको बता रहा था ना, एक बंदे ने कमेंट भी किया था कि तुम साले चुतिए अक्षय को वो कर रहे हो, ये कर रहे हो, वो कर रहे हो, एंड
शाहरुख का लेते हो।
हाँ एनीवे, सो आई एक्चुअली फील दैट अक्षय लाइक भाई थोड़ा जैसे जो स्लाइस ऑफ लाइक लाइट कॉमेडी, मतलब नॉट आउट एंड आउट कॉमेडी, लाइक एवरीबडी, लाइक आई नो पीपल इन कॉमेंट्स राइट कि तुम लोग को लगता है वो सिर्फ कॉमेडी कर सकता है या वगैरह वगैरह, बट आई थिंक he really needs to give this patriotism thing a break, at least for now. He needs to give this a break. This preachy cinema is not, I don't think it's working anymore.
Right.
The preachy sort of cinema where there are like long monologues about a certain cause, let alone being like nationalist या कुछ ऐसा. I think preachy cinema has taken a back seat. And I think actors should also be making like a better choice when it comes to scripts and films कि वो preachy ना हो.
That's why it's becoming Thanos ना.
Yeah, and bro, that would actually be like a great move,
Yeah.
a great career move.
Yeah.
That you're trying something completely off. वो बहुत अभी जैसे मुझे लगता है जॉली एलबी वर्सेस जॉली एलबी आने वाला है, so जॉली एलबी 3 आने वाली है. I think that will work for him. Oh my God 2 worked for him.
Yeah.
But I mean, he wasn't in that much of the movie.
Obviously,
really, yeah.
obviously.
But they didn't market
So
it
I think most of it had to be cut also because वो cuts लग गए थे ना कि
Correct,
शिव
yeah,
जी
yeah,
नहीं
yeah,
दिखा
yeah,
सकते.
yeah.
तो वो भी थी चीजें. बट आई थिंक अगर अक्षय थोड़ा सा हटके करेगा ना काम, तो मुझे लगता है मतलब आई थिंक प्रीची सिनेमा अभी तो नहीं हो पाएगा थोड़ा सा.
Yeah.
Also stop doing remakes, man. It's so dumb.
Bro, remakes तो I
Remakes are
I
just
think
so boring now.
so.
Dude.
But I want to talk.
Speaking of remakes, let's talk about Deva.
So yeah, exactly.
Is it
So
a remake?
it is not.
Apparently, it's
So
not.
again, so it is rumored that कि वो remake है, मुंबई पुलिस करके एक फिल्म थी,
Yeah.
same director.
Hmm.
Apparently, Deva is not a remake. This is what the internet says as of now. क्या कहते हैं मतलब एज इन पीपल, क्योंकि जो डायरेक्टर है उसने पहली फिल्म बनाई थी जो इससे पहले जो फिल्म बनाई थी वो थी मुंबई पुलिस, एंड पीपल आर सेइंग कि ये फिल्म जो है वो मुंबई पुलिस का ही हिंदी वर्जन है. सो आई हैव 3 डिफरेंट रिपोर्ट्स ऑफ द सेम इशू. पहला कि वो रीमेक है, दूसरा कि वो रीमेक नहीं है, तीसरा कि वो रीमेक है बट एंडिंग चेंज है.
Okay.
तो
मतलब remake है फिर.
तो इन तीनों में से कुछ हो सकता है.
I think it's the third one. Probably.
मुझे भी यही लग रहा है कि आई थिंक इज द थर्ड वन वेयर दे हैव टेकन ऑब्वियसली some chunks of the original the
Is he
Mumbai
playing
Police.
a cop in the movie?
Yeah, he's
Do we
playing.
see him in a
Yeah.
Vardi?
Yeah,
Oh,
and a
okay.
cop
Yeah,
car also.
And a cop car, yeah.
Okay.
जहाँ पे वो कर रहा है कि डू यू लव मी, दरवाजा खोल के गाड़ी चल
Okay.
रही है उसकी.
Okay. Hmm.
तो आई थिंक सो अभी जैसे हमने बोला कि वो 3 आउटकम्स हो सकते हैं, तीनों में से कुछ भी हो सकता है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है, सो मुझे शाहिद एज एन एक्टर बहुत पसंद है.
Yeah, of course. Dude,
Does this
बहुत-
give you Kabir Singh vibes?
it does. Kabir
मैं
Singh
वही
का
कहने
top-
वाला था कि आई थिंक जो वो थोड़े क्रेजी कैरेक्टर्स
वो उसमें अच्छा करता है.
शाहिद
छोटा बंदा बहुत
शाहिद
अच्छा
किल कर देता है उसके अंदर.
Yeah,
ठीक है, मुझे लगता है शाहिद
है.
एक
Heather.
भाई द थिंग इज सो
But then you hated Heather, didn't you?
Yeah, but उसकी acting तो अच्छी थी.
Okay.
शाहिद
Kabir Singh also I hate. His acting अच्छी थी.
Okay. He's acting.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
शाहिद का मुझे लगता है कि आई थिंक ही इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फिनोमिनल एक्टर्स एंड सुपरस्टार्स लाइक
I
विदाउट
won't call him a
सो
Yeah,
मैं वही बोलने वाला था कि
Superstars, asses and seats.
without giving like a fucking blockbuster super duper hit sort of a
Kabir
film
Singh was a blockbuster, bro.
अब sentence तो complete करने दे मेरे को आदमी, except कबीर सिंह. He still has that superstar status is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Like शाहिद कपूर को आप आयुष्मान खुराना की लीग से ऊपर, like no hate to आयुष्मान खुराना, but like I think you'd
As an actor?
नहीं like as
as
a
a star.
as a star I think you'll rate because उसके अंदर वो सारी एक quintessential बॉलीवुड हीरो वाली सारी क्वालिटीज हैं. बहुत बढ़िया एक्शन करता है, बहुत बढ़िया एक्टिंग करता है, बहुत बढ़िया डांस करता है,
हाँ.
कमाल चॉकलेटी बॉय, ऐसा इमेज जो देवा में हम देख
But
रहे
his
हैं पीछे.
action is only like a recent discovery, right?
Yeah.
He was a villain in that movie also, right? The historical film. Which one was it?
पद्मावत में था ये, बट पद्मावत में ये विलन नहीं था, पद्मावत में ये हीरो था. विलन उसमें ऑब्वियसली रणवीर सिंह था. हाँ, द एक्शन थिंग दैट ही डिड वाज ब्लडी डैडी.
Bloody Daddy.
जिसका बच्चा इनको बहुत
Kabir
खराब
Singh.
Yeah,
लगता है.
that also I was very excited for, but then so disappointed.
Yeah, it didn't turn out to be like what we were expecting it to.
Yeah.
But I think
I would also say that Jab We Met was also a super hit, but that was more a Kareena film than
Yeah.
a Shahid film.
This is the like literally the angry young man vibes because उसके पीछे
yeah,
अमिताभ
पीछे
बच्चन है.
हाँ
Poster में
ज्यादा
भी,
नहीं हो गया एंग्री यंग मैन रेफरेंसेस ऐसे जिगरा में भी था इसमें भी
अभी
था
डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनी है भाई अभी फ्रेश है सबके
हाँ.
दिमाग में.
आप
I do think they were like, you know, in terms of how good a movie will be, I feel the Himesh movie will be meta, but it's not going to be a great movie. It'll just be like
वो
a
तो
good time
मतलब
pass, whatever
obviously.
movie, right? Regardless of whether it's they are aware of what the movie is or they're not.
मतलब it's a spoof film we can see that it's a
in
spoof
a
of
way,
film
in a
yeah.
manner of speaking, yes, correct. This I think from the lot that we saw will
Yeah,
be the
will be the
of the
best
lot.
one.
It looks like at least. I
And
hope
like
so.
But
this
then this was also the shortest of all the teasers and trailers.
this is the
we
teaser
saw.
ना
Yeah,
बाकी
this is
तो
a teaser.
ट्रेलर है
इसमें कोई डायलॉग वालोग भी नहीं है
Yeah.
बस ये डांस कर रहा है बंदा बस.
तो
But yeah, it seems like they're
ये तो
channeling-
जाओगे हॉल पे देखने
हाँ, I don't mind. They're
Yeah.
channeling Shahid in the correct way. Seems to be.
शायद यार शायद की वजह जर्सी भी बहुत अच्छी थी जर्सी देखी है आपने
हाँ, मैंने सुना है.
जर्सी
देखी नहीं है, but I've heard.
अगेन
remake है
जो
ना भाई.
रीमेक या सो मैं वही बात कर रहा था कि ब्रो बेबी जॉन नहीं चली ब्रो लाइक
Yeah. But
दैट
Baby John was a streaming release, right?
आर यू मैड
थिएटर ब्रो इतनी बड़ी फिल्म.
Oh no, that was
bro
Bloody
it
Daddy.
was
Correct,
one of
yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
biggest releases of the year
Okay, fine, bro.
and didn't even get 50 crores
Yeah, it was really. It was
Okay.
just
so
embarrassing.
the thing is पता है बेबी जॉन
और also पुष्पा 2 के टाइम पे आई ना यार.
नहीं आई ना भाई वही तो बात है पुष्पा 2 की 1 महीने 20 दिन बाद आई है
अच्छा. Okay.
6
Pushpa 2.
हाँ
Pushpa 2 तो अभी है.
वही कह रहा हूँ 6 दिसंबर को आई है पुष्पा 2 25 दिसंबर को रिलीज हुई है बेबी जॉन
Baby John, yeah, correct.
तो मुझे बिल्कुल ही उम्मीद नहीं थी कि बेबी जॉन टैंक कर जाएगी बॉक्स
तेरे को
ऑफिस
तुम
पे
देखी?
देखी ही नहीं अभी तक मैं
वही तो ना यार तेरे ऊपर.
अरे मैं
dependent
दिल्ली
हो. क्या यार एक तो शॉर्ट
सब मूवी देखने जाता है. एक ये मूवी
अरे मैं
देखने
दिल्ली
नहीं गया.
चला गया यार बीच में मुफासा भी नहीं देख पाया ये भी
अगर
नहीं देख
जॉन
पाया।
के अंदर अजय देवगन चले जाए तो स्नेल देगा.
तो
I think
but
more than Ajay Devgan, he's into Vatsal and Aisha Takia.
आयशा टाकिया फॉर श्योर
Yeah.
But
But
like-
you can't say na if Aisha Takia went inside this or that. So,
हाँ what's
You can say whatever you want about.
it's the matter of whether you should or you should not can तो there is a lot of things
There's no, yeah.
her husband is very politically connected, bro. We should be careful about what we say. Anyway, yeah, you were saying.
you too Abbas you too
We had no idea till you mentioned it. Now we have to be scared and all. What the fuck?
And what is Vatsal doing in his life?
chilling bro
Chilling.
I think
you know, just roaming around in his stars, no one car.
I think so he's married to Ajay Devgan's the girl who plays Ajay Devgan's daughter in Drishyam.
Oh fuck!
Yeah, really?
Yeah. That work?
Wow.
Yeah.
He's also as hung up on Tarzan as
The
they
thing
are.
is, I'll tell you, there was this meme जहाँ पे अजय देवगन का बर्थडे था और इन दोनों की फोटो लाइक आज इनके बाप का बर्थडे Dude, I think it's a dream for me to have Vatsal on the podcast.
Yeah,
Genuinely.
bro. Vatsal, if you're watching.
Vatsal
Vatsal,
Seth
if you
has
still
to
not
be
heard about
Snail and his love for भाई अभी जो अपने
कैंपेन शुरू करते हैं ना, guys. Go to Vatsal's Instagram.
Instagram
Flood
Hashtag
his
be on
DM.
popcorn.
Flood his DM and
DMs
comments.
and be like
Hey,
कि-
be on popcorn is such a great hashtag. I just thought.
Yeah.
Beyond
Be on popcorn.
Yeah.
Oh, nice,
Nice, dude.
nice.
Guys,
Hashtag
do you
be on
think Nirmala Sitharaman increased the tax on popcorn?
वापस
because-
ले लिया उसने
वापस ले लिया? Oh fuck, ये कब हुआ?
Yeah,
people-
because you only
बहुत-
heard the bad things
So
about
let
it.
me rephrase it. Do you think she took it back
because of
our
us yes
podcast?
Yeah, yeah.
we did it
They're
guys
like they've taken popcorn now. Now nobody can claim it. It's copyright of popcorn.
Is there anything else we want to talk about?
How can we end this episode without talking about the greatest hero of all time after Badass Ravi Kumar, Sikander?
Sikander
Yes.
teaser let's not call it a trailer I think trailer 3.5-4 मिनट का होगा
Yeah, this is a teaser. Literally.
हाँ वो देखो ना सिकंदर
Also,
official teaser
This is literally like half a scene, so we know it's not a trailer.
I don't think it's a scene also I think
Yeah,
this
I don't
is
think this is in the
yeah
movie.
this is
It's
a
just-
teaser this is an announcement कि सिकंदर bro ये वो लॉरेंस बिश्नोई को मैसेज दिया उसने
Bus, that's it.
That's it. You remember जब जवान आई थी तो भी ये पहला डायलॉग क्या रिलीज किया था बेटे को हाथ लगाने से
पहले
पहले
नहीं था, वो
बाप से
ट्रेलर
बात।
में था.
वो ट्रेलर में था
हाँ,
बट
teaser-
व्हाटएवर द फक
हाँ
मतलब
था ना
हाँ,
था
अभी
कि
गलत
नहीं?
हो गया तो whatever the fuck.
मतलब नहीं आई एम सेइंग कि मूवी
Of
से
course,
पहले
yeah.
उस पे पिक्चर मार्केट
तुम
की
तुम
गई
एक
थी।
रियल लाइफ चीज के
हाँ,
ऊपर भी कमेंट कर रहे हो.
आई थिंक सलमान के साथ भी आई थिंक दे ट्राई टू डू समथिंग लाइक दिस कि
Yeah,
बहुत
of
लोग मेरे
course.
पीछे पड़े हुए हैं बस
बस
मेरे
मोड़ने की
मोड़ने
देर
की
है,
देर है एंड दैट्स आल्सो आई थिंक व्हाट ही डिड विद दिस गाय अश्नीर ग्रोवर आल्सो अश्नीर
मुड़ गया।
वो बस मुड़ गया
मेरे को तो रैगिंग याद आ रही थी यार. रैग
इधर आ जा जूनियर देखिए तो आई थिंक ये वही है कि सलमान के बस मुड़ने की देर थी एंड नाउ इज लाइक कि तुम सारे कह रहे हो कि सलमान इज ओवर सलमान का करियर खत्म
Yeah,
हो गया
yeah.
इज नॉट डूइंग ऑल दीस
डायरेक्टर का नाम भी यार मुड़गदोस है. So yeah. It's 1 a.m. Okay, guys. Don't judge me for the jokes that I'm cracking.
अंतरिक्ष को समझ ही नहीं आया जब
I didn't understand what.
A.R. Murugados. Yeah. See, he found it funny.
No,
He
I did
gets
not.
my humor.
Not at all.
You're literally laughing right
उन्होंने
now.
पता अंदर बोला शुक्र है शादी में नहीं आया बहन
ऐसे जो कर रहा था तो अच्छा हो गया.
अच्छा नहीं आया
But like, what is he playing an assassin? What is the,
nobody knows what he's playing Sikandar
Playing
he's in and
Sikandar.
as Sikandar I think
What if he's playing Alexander the Great, who was known as Sikandar?
सलमान भाई कर
Because
सकते
in the
हैं
teaser they also like ancient,
No thrones left, no
ancient
thrones left.
Japanese warriors and
I
stuff.
सलमान भाई कर सकते हैं देखो
What does मुकद्दर mean?
किस्मत
Muqaddar means fate.
मुकद्दर का सिकंदर
Yeah.
means fate का
Someone who's mastered fate.
mastered fate yeah तो I think Salman I think so I teaser I think but like very honestly who like for a person who's been looking forward to Sikandar का announcement and first look and all teaser मुझे थोड़ा underwhelming लगा
भाई और सलमान थोड़ा लुक चेंज कर सकता है अपना फिल्मों के लिए.
Dude,
एक
also-
ही
dude,
एक ही लुक बिग बॉस में,
हाँ
वही लुक फिल्मों में.
वही सिंघम में वाला.
हाँ, वही सिंघम तो
I-
ब्रो
dude-
उसने बिग बॉस के सेट पे शूट किया.
सिंघम और आई थिंक चुलबुल सिंघम बनने भी नहीं वाली भाई
I feel like I am now entering a phase of big time. All these, you know, there are so many nonsense action movies. This is gonna be one of them again, dude. I think I'm going through the phase of like fatigue of that. You know,
भाई वही ना जो
Because there's so many,
हमने
dude.
पहले भी इस
Everything
बारे
is
में
that
बात
only.
हमने पहले इस बारे में बात करी थी कि जब किल चल गई
हाँ.
and by चल गई I don't mean कि it got numbers it got critical acclaim it got audience का प्यार मिला उसको and like festivals गई all of that उसका it was not meant to be it was not supposed to be like a 100 CR 200 CR film
Yeah.
ठीक है so I think after what Kill did to the box office we actually talked about this on the podcast that there will be so many more such films trying to follow the same
That's true.
pattern
But also not just
But
that.
also-
I'm talking about Jawan and Pathan.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
all
I
like,
get it. Yeah,
they're
yeah.
mindless actioners,
Yeah.
हाँ
right?
Singham,
It's
Singham again.
It's basically that dude. So now everyone's got Baby John was the attempt at that.
Yeah.
Pushpa is that basically.
Oh, you're talking about Baby John. Yes, I forgot.
Yeah. So
But,
all of that basically. I'm done
yeah,
with this
but
dude
then-
because I feel like now they are taking us for granted, and now every movie is just going to be the exact same carbon copy of the other previous movie before it.
But the response to that would be that nothing else is working. Also, none of those films have Salman Khan. Salman Khan, in a sense, is the,
Yeah,
like,
Tiger
the
did- Tiger
OG
was that-
action guy, like Wanted, Kick,
भाई और
Tiger.
that's what ना so again this is because Salman ठीक है because of Salman a film that got 270 230 crores we think didn't work
Yeah, that's true.
for any other random actor
It's the biggest movie of his career,
230
dude.
crores dude करियर में कितने एक्टर्स हैं जिन्होंने 10-10 12-12 साल इंडस्ट्री में निकाल दिए उनकी सबसे बड़ी हिट 250 करोड़ नहीं है भाई
Yeah, of course. So,
So,
more
like it's
that,
like, I think it's more to do with Salman for sure and then again you were right these things अगर अब वही ना यही चीज में अगर वरुण धवन कर रहा है तो यू प्रोबेबली विल बी लाइक कि अरे यार
Yeah,
फिर
चुतिया।
वही चीज है
Sorry.
ठीक है नहीं मतलब फिर वही चीज देन अगेन अगर सलमान कर रहा है यू विल स्टिल गिव इट अ शॉट कि यार चलो ठीक
Also,
है
it's not just a Hindi film thing, right? Rajnikant is doing the same thing in Tamil cinema. He's like, what, 71 or 72. He's still playing action hero, beating
yeah, that's
up,
true. But
beating
again,
up
like that
people.
worked, and that was like that. You know, अभी वो पिछले साल थी ना जेलर भी.
Jailer was 2 years ago. Last year he had a film called I'm forgetting the name, but it had Amitabh
With
Bachchan,
Amitabh and,
Rajinikanth,
So action
Fahad-
movie?
also action, yeah,
good?
yeah,
Was it good?
The thing is,
decent, not bad.
again, but वही ना वो हम
Just adding one thing in that, actually, the thing is he's playing a cop, he's playing an encounter specialist, but they do this thing where the interval point it turns out that he's killed the wrong man. So then the next second half is him questioning himself, which is a little different, which is something
and Rajinikanth questioning
yeah,
himself.
is a huge thing. So the thing is, I get what you're saying that
Yeah. But
you're
then a fatigue will set in for sure. For
sure
everyone.
the Pathan Jawan type thing, this copy paste thing of
Yeah.
just mindless action, which with nothing little different or
Little to no substance वाला situation.
little to no substance and nothing there which is like worth exploring.
Like I think जब हम लोग ने एनिमल की बात करी थी मैंने तब भी ये बात बोली थी कि अगर एक्शन इज नॉट लीडिंग अप टू समथिंग देन आई थिंक इट इज यूजलेस एक्शन फॉर मी. अगर 25-30 मिनट का एक्शन सीक्वेंस है जो मुझे पता है कि 5 मिनट में 10 मिनट में खत्म हो सकता था.
But wasn't Animal a little different in that sense that it doesn't have cars blowing up in the climax? It has two bare-chested
Men.
brothers going at each other. Yeah, that was. I don't
नहीं मतलब वो तो चलो अलग बात है. मैं एक्शन जो जैसे जो फटीक की बात कर रहे हैं जवान पठान टाइप
know. Even your Yudhra type.
Youth, oh
films.
bro, fucking
Oh, dude. Aditya Roy Kapoor also did one recently, which also was pretty bad.
Oh,
like
yeah,
in
yeah.
that genre
What?
only. The Yudhra type genre. Yeah. He
Yeah,
also
I
did one,
don't
dude.
remember the title.
एक करी थी उसने ओम करके एक फिल्म करी थी कुछ साल पहले.
नहीं,
वो
अभी भी
ऐसी
की
थी
अभी भी की थी उसने.
शायद. Anyway,
दो sequels आएंगे शांति ओम.
बट अगेन सो एज अब जो आपने बात बोली आई थिंक 2-3
But
वॉर 2 भी इसी साल आ रही है
हाँ apparently.
अगस्त में.
Yeah.
तो आई थिंक वॉर 2 विल आल्सो बी समवॉट
But that तो
सिमिलर.
है ही,
उसके
वो
लिए
तो है ही,
hype है, उसके लिए
वो तो है ही
actually hype
spy.
वॉर 2 के लिए एक्चुअली वैसे थोड़ा हाइप है मुझे मतलब
Like feel तो होता है वो, you know what do you say, the tendrils
लाइक या लाइक वन
महसूस होते हैं.
आई थिंक लाइक देयर आर 2 to 3 बिग रिलीजेस दिस ईयर. वन ऑफ देम बीइंग सिकंदर, वन ऑफ देम बीइंग वॉर 2 एंड तीसरी कोई लाइक पॉप अप हो जाएगी साल के बीच
साल
में.
मैडॉक की कोई हो. इस साल मैडॉक क्या आ रहा है? कुछ अनाउंस किया इस साल के लिए?
यही तो है मैडॉक की स्काई
नहीं, ये तो
फोर्स.
है ही,
That
but
that
like from the
vampire
horror
movie
universe.
that's coming this year on.
Thama is
Diwali.
26. Thama is 26.
No, it's this
Thama
year.
is 25?
Diwali. Yeah.
Hey, before we end, हो गया ना सिकंदर की बात.
हाँ मतलब
चलो,
भाई वो है 200 करोड़ तो जाएगा
Yeah,
सिकंदर
yeah,
कम से
yeah,
कम.
जाएगी भाई. भाई, what did you think of Squid Game season 2?
Bro, एक second for everybody who's still listening to us. Tell me if I'm right or
तूने
wrong.
देखा ना season 2? हाँ.
Squid Game isn't Squid Game Luck the film?
I haven't seen.
I haven't seen Luck.
Bro,
This is इमरान खान वाली.
इमरान
श्रुति
खान,
हसन है
संजय दत्त,
जिसमें.
श्रुति हसन, रवि किशन, dude, same, ditto.
के गेम्स
पैसों
खेलो
के लिए
वरना
games
मार
खेलो.
दिए
हाँ,
जाओगे.
like-
हाँ तो ये तो ऐसे तो
That's the gambling. That's any
अरे
gambling
नहीं,
movie.
नहीं मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ.
21 Squid Game.
सुनो नो नहीं सो क्या सीन है कि स्क्विड गेम में जो वो है क्या कहते हैं अपना
Main hero, frontman.
अरे नहीं यार संजय दत्त है वो ये सारा
Yeah, Squid Game
इमरान
में
खान.
Luck में.
अगर मैं आपको स्क्विड गेम के रेफरेंसेस में बताऊं तो संजय दत्त वो है जो वो पूरा ब्लैक कॉस्ट्यूम में रहता है.
अच्छा बिग
ठीक है
ब्रदर.
बिग हाँ
Frontman.
हाँ वो
frontman.
एंड जो डैनी डेंजोक्पा कैरेक्टर है उसके अंदर क्या कहते हैं लक मूवी के अंदर वो कैरेक्टर है जो उनको रिक्रूट नहीं करता कि आपके वो उनके साथ वो खेलता है
दागची खेलता है.
दागची खेलता है. ठीक है तो उसके अंदर
Doesn't remember any of
कुछ
the
नहीं
words.
अबे देखी मैंने फिल्म यार मतलब शो मैंने. ठीक है
हाँ ठीक
तो अब
है.
क्या सीन है अब उसके अंदर भी वो क्या करते हैं वो दे लुक फॉर पीपल जिनके ऊपर डेट है बहुत
हाँ,
ज्यादा पैसों
जो
की बहुत
मुश्किल में
जरूरत है.
हाँ.
सबको जाके बोलते हैं कि आपका इतना है इतना आपको मिल जाएगा हमारे साथ आपको इतनी गेम्स खेलनी है वगैरह वगैरह ऐसे वो सबको रिक्रूट करते हैं. एंड जब पहले दिन वो जाते हैं तो उनको पता चलता है कि एलिमिनेट होने का मतलब मर जाना है.
Oh, ऐसा है क्या?
हाँ Bro, that's what.
Bro, that's also death race.
अरे मतलब
It's
वो
also kind of Saw, right? Like traps, and
Yeah,
if you
sure,
don't get
sure,
out of the
sure.
trap,
उसके
you
अंदर
get.
आई थिंक द फर्स्ट गेम
But how do they kill in Luck?
मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ फर्स्ट
Like the game doesn't kill you. The people kill
the
you.
people kill you.
Oh,
Yes. So the game puts you in such a situation where you are killing like
sick.
other people. So जैसा पहला गेम क्या है कि वो सबको डेजर्ट में लेके जाते हैं. ठीक
It's a
है
good movie. Or it sounds fun, man.
मैं आपको
It
बता रहा हूँ.
apparently was not a bad movie.
Yeah, so that's what. So वो
Also,
आपको
it has Shruti Hassan, so come on. Huh? Anyway, continue.
भाई मर्द कहीं के
भाई, Shruti Hassan, ugly. No, I'm just married.
तो उनका
Did you
पहला
call her ugly?
Yeah.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
I said I'm just married. Relax, dude. She's
but
clearly-
वो
वो personally offend हो गया
Yeah.
I
she's
कह रहा
obviously one of the most gorgeous women who's ever lived.
Exactly.
Dude. What are you
Yeah.
talking
Thank
about?
you. Anyway, continue.
But I have to, you know,
आपको
I
नहीं
have to-
कॉम्प्लीमेंट किया उसने थैंक
No,
yeah.
I take it personally. I
But
hung
I
out
have
with
to-
Shruti.
I have to
Shruti
mind
and
my
me.
tongue a little bit, you
Shruti and me had a moment when she was on Cyrus. So yeah. Anyway,
Oh,
Yeah.
she got
Despised
creeped out by
you.
she got what?
She got creeped out by you.
No, we had a moment. Watch the video.
Okay.
ठीक है
Okay.
ग्रेट सो द फर्स्ट गेम दैट दे
अब
प्ले
तो पूरी पिक्चर डिस्क्राइब
अरे एक गेम बता रहा हूँ ना श्रुति हसन के आशिक ठीक है तो
सुन ले भाई वो है सीन में वो है गेम में
तो
डिस्क्राइब व्हाट Shruti Hassan
पहला पहला
Does
पहला
Shruti
game
survive the game?
या
Okay.
सो
रोमांटिक एंगल कहां से लाएंगे
तो उनका
इमरान
आपको
खान रवि किशन रोमांटिक एंगल करेंगे
तो पहला गेम मैं आपको गेम बताता हूँ किस तरीके के गेम्स हैं उसके
ठीक
अंदर
है, बता।
जैसे पहला गेम क्या है कि वो एक डेजर्ट में जाते हैं एक राउंड सर्कल में खड़ा करते हैं बीच में गन्स का एक संदूक खोलते हैं एवरीबडी
संदूक?
एवरीबडी पिक्स अ गन
संदूक में बंदूक
एंड यू डोंट नो कि कौन से बंदूक में गोली है कौन से में नहीं है एंड
अच्छा।
ऑन द काउंट ऑफ 3 एवरीबडी शूट्स टुगेदर
Bro,
जिसके
I'm
भी
so
माथे
sure this is a copy of some Hollywood movie,
जिसके
bro.
भी माथे पे लगी वो मर गया जिसकी बंदूक खाली थी वो
किसको
बच
मरती
गया
है किसको
मतलब थे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जैसे इसके
अच्छा।
अंदर वो हैं और लाइक 3-4 मेन के अलावा और भी हैं ना,
Bro,
तो उसके
one
अंदर-
one second. In 2024, Soham Shah, the director, accused the makers of Squid Game of plagiarizing the film's plot, a claim that has since been denied by Netflix.
नेटफ्लिक्स क्या
लक
बोलेगा
का
नेटफ्लिक्स क्या बोलेगा नेटफ्लिक्स बोलेगा
सच में
मैंने लक के विकिपीडिया पेज पे क्या देखने के लिए कि किसी
अच्छा,
चीज की
hilarious,
कॉपी है
hilarious.
और उसमें ये लिखा हुआ है कि स्क्विड गेम ने
hilarious.
बोला
तुम देख रहे हो तुम्हें लगता है कि लक को भी थी एंड आई एम श्योर होगी
This is not that same. Squid Game's concept is the games they play are childhood games. Which is what makes it so much darker. That if in hide and seek, देखिए इसका भी मुंह खुल रहा है ठीक है
भाई 1 बज रहा है ना क्योंकि
हाँ, बस 5 मिनट में हम wrap up कर
the entire episode I just was able to control it this
कि
one
अगर
was
तुम छुपा छुपी खेलते और छुपा छुपी में तुमको अगर नहीं मिलता तो तुमको गोली मार देते
नहीं आई गेट इट
वो और डार्क हो जाता
बट द थिंग इज कि मतलब लक इज वेरी सिमिलर टू लाइक द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सॉर्ट्स इज वेरी सिमिलर टू
Cool.
व्हाट
I'll watch
स्क्विड गेम्स इज बट what were your thoughts on the Squid Game second season?
I did not like it.
Even
bro.
I didn't
What?
even I didn't like it.
Dude, they did not see. You should be honest with the audience. Call it season 2, part 1. Okay.
I mean,
If you are going to end on a cliffhanger, then
Like this kind of
or at least resolve some plot.
मैंने I
You
think
have
आपसे जब मैं
not-
बात कर रहा था मैंने exactly यही line
but
बोली
bro
थी.
you know second season by the way is coming on 2025
हाँ अभी
in
आ रही
June.
है,
वो
you're
पता है
right.
क्यों क्या है? Because
Hate मिल रहा था.
The reason for that is Netflix wanted. Netflix has to show the shareholders and this thing, the people who put money into it. Quarter के हिसाब से उनको subscribers दिखाने
हाँ.
होते हैं. So December they release last week of December because then
जो जिन लोगों ने 3 महीने का वो लिया है
quarter वो
उनका वो-
जनवरी और दिसंबर और जनवरी दोनों में दिखा
we've
देते हैं.
actually discussed this on the
And
podcast.
The season
Yeah.
3 they will drop in July, where again the
Well, that's just
final
good
quarter.
business. That's just good
But
business.
the fuck all thing is now business decisions are dictating creative decisions.
fair enough but
But my thing is, see, I honestly felt Squid Game was a great one season concept.
Yeah.
So the fact that they even like sort of stretched out a season 2 out of it is like it was better than I expected in the first 3-4 episodes.
okay, sure.
But the last 3 episodes, they just, especially the last 7th episode,
The last
where there's
episode
the whole gunfight.
that was just crazy.
Like, man,
और
you-
आपको पता है 7th episode में they left a cameraman in.
Oh,
Oh,
there-
It's in the
Really?
frame, yeah.
That's
It's in the
hilarious,
frame.
That's
जब
some Game
वहाँ
of
पे
Thrones shit.
जहाँ पे वो लोग सोते हैं ना जहाँ पे उनका फायरिंग चल रहा होता है सो आई थिंक मैंने भी किसी रील पे देखा था उसने टाइम कोड मेंशन किया है 38:29 38:22 समथिंग
अच्छा.
जहाँ पे वो शूटिंग कर रहे हैं एंड पीछे कैमरामैन ऐसे से घूम रहा है
hilarious. That's so funny, dude. That's so funny.
सो एंड मतलब ये नहीं कि ग्लिम्स है कैमरा मतलब एज इन कैमरा का छोटा सा पार्ट है प्रॉपर पूरा कैमरामैन ऐसे खड़ा हुआ है भाई
Hilarious,
पीछे।
hilarious. So I
what I liked was last thing. The games themselves they've done well.
Sure.
Okay, like the edge of the seat thing we
Yeah.
got from season 1 while playing the games, that's there. the interpersonal connections between the characters, the newer characters, except for that mother-son duo, I didn't find any of the other characters interesting.
मुझे भी नहीं, मुझे genuinely Squid Games 2 में मुझे ऐसा लगा कि जैसे वो याद है मनी हाइस्ट का जब सेकंड सीजन निकाला था,
मैंने नहीं देखा।
भाई सो मनी हाइस्ट के सेकंड सीजन से भी ना वो सारा वो खत्म ही हो गया था. लाइक अगेन मनी हाइस्ट वाज आल्सो अ वेरी गुड सीजन 1, ठीक है. इसमें भी स्क्विड गेम्स 2 में भी आपसे जब आप लैंड हुए थे तो हमने ये बात करी थी कि अगर मैं अपनी जिंदगी के 8 घंटे इन्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ ना आपके शो में, मुझे एक ट्रैक तो कंप्लीट करके दे दो. तुमने पूरा मुझे पिछला सीजन तुमने 9 एपिसोड में कंप्लीट कर दिया था. ये सीजन तुमने 7 एपिसोड में मुझे वहां तक बिल्डअप दे दिया कि यहाँ से अब कुछ होगा, और वो कुछ क्या होगा गण मारो, ठीक है. ये एक ट्रैक मतलब द थिंग इज कि तुम्हें सीजन 3 बनाना है, हमें पता है तुम्हें मिंट करना है, ठीक है, फ्रेंचाइज को. वो ट्रैक कंप्लीट करो, एंड में एक ओपन एंड छोड़ दो, मतलब एज इन एक ओपन कड़ी छोड़ दो एक तरीके की. जैसे इसमें जैसे फर्स्ट में उन्होंने छोड़ा था दैट ही विल रिटर्न टू फकिंग फाइंड हु द पर्सन इज. इसके अंदर यू फाउंड द पर्सन, बट देन यू कैन रियलाइज समथिंग कि ओ दिस इज द रियल शिट, ठीक है. एंड देन सीजन 3 में तुम उससे डील करे, व्हाटएवर द फक, तुम्हारा काम है सोचना, मैं नहीं बना रहा स्क्विड गेम्स, ठीक है. बट अगेन 7 एपिसोड 1.5 घंटे के 1 घंटे के एपिसोड देख के मुझे पता लग रहा है कि द मोस्ट ऑब्वियस शिट दैट द 001 वाला पर्सन will fucking like turn on you.
So
don't tell me आपने expect नहीं किया था ये.
Wait. One of my friends and co-hosts of Spender Bender is Govind Menon, right? He did not realize till the end that 001 was
the same guy.
Dude, he knows the front man, dude.
Govind is racist.
What? He's like, dude, I didn't recognize. I'm like, are you serious?
All South
The
Koreans.
entire season was a waste for you, dude. He's like mind blown at the end. Like, oh, yahi to kya? Oh, dude. Can you imagine? What an idiot. Oh, man.
So the entire season you also know that the captain of the ship, that the one
He's a
he's
bad guy.
gonna
Mixed
turn.
with them.
So there's literally zero surprise in the end. The only moment that I had was कि they changed games. But then again that was also not like a fucking big reveal. वो मुझे समझ में आ गया था कि now that he's telling कि आगे ये होने वाला है, they'll have to change the games.
Yeah, correct.
And I don't understand why Gyun had to go back into the games to stop them. It's just a stupid reason.
I mean, in that moment when he was in the car, he wanted to be alive. So like, oh, why don't put me back, man? Your VIPs will love this shit. So for me, I would say this second season of Squid Game, it actually hooked me in from the very get-go. That whole track of this guy trying to find the recruiter, Dakshi dude. Then finding the Dakshi dude. Also the brother of the frontman being alive. And their whole dynamic of... you find out a little bit more about the frontman's back life, his life history, also a little bit of the wife and shit. I was hooked, dude, throughout. It was intense. It was tense. It was great. That whole thing about so the frontman seems like he's always in control right till the end. Even when Gyun thinks he has him cornered, he'll follow the car. All his other cars get sniped out, and also he can't really. All that was very well done, dude. The only actual qualm I have, I actually like the interpersonal relationships in this season also. Like some were very stupid. That dude who gets bullied by the rapper and his friend, and then ends
the crypto guy,
and can't help his girlfriend friend. That's the most dumbest track. Like, what is the point of this friendship if you can't do it? Very stupid. Very stupid. Then कुछ लोग को मरना है, तो some deaths aren't as satisfying as they were in season 1. So I get that.
The thing is, like, this season had that, the moment wherever they bunch a couple of characters we've never seen, know they're all gonna die.
Yeah,
right?
correct. 100%.
Yeah,
where
वो मैं कनेक्ट ही नहीं कर पाया किसी भी कैरेक्टर से. मर गया ठीक है, मरा, कोई टेंशन नहीं थी मेरे को. मतलब मुझे सिर्फ ये करता कि यार वो मम्मी बेटे को मत मारना टाइप्स.
हाँ, मेरा भी वही था.
नहीं तो किसी से कुछ वो लगाव बैठा है नहीं यार.
So I don't know. I was a little disappointed.
Same. When I was very disappointed.
My main qualm was कि I was expecting कि last episode है. Let those guys at least find the island. Give me something more.
Exactly. Yeah.
They haven't found the island.
Yeah.
The captain on that ship is still there.
The North Korean girl who's one of the guards. I don't know why we're 11, following her. There's
कुछ
nothing
तो number 11
there.
कुछ तो बोलो ना यार. Number 11 is one of the guards.
वहाँ मतलब
कुछ तो करो. I thought like that whole fight sequence is happening. Oh, she'll turn now. She'll start helping these guys somehow. I don't know why. वो भी नहीं आया. Crazy dude. Even the father died of the little girl, right? He's also dead now.
Yeah.
He's dead.
हाँ वो
so.
मारता है ना उसको जो उनको नहीं पसंद.
The
उसका उससे
first
प्रॉब्लम होती है.
episode of season 2 is great, where he plays that the game, the gun wala game.
The Russian roulette.
हाँ, the Russian roulette, yes.
That was very well done. I was like, okay, now we're on to something. Maybe this season they will not spend completely playing games. It seemed more like a gangster movie.
Yeah, sure, yeah, correct.
But then again, actually, first 3 to 4 episodes were well done. Last 3 episodes.
भाई आई थिंक ये पहला शो है जो मैंने एक टाइम पे मैं ऐसा हो गया था कि यार मैं 1.5x पे देख लेता. सच बता रहा हूँ मैं मुझे नहीं पसंद आया. आई थिंक मैं भी पहले 2-3 एपिसोड्स तक हुक था. आई थिंक आई स्टार्टेड लूजिंग इंटरेस्ट आफ्टर द जो वो वाला गेम था ना जिसमें सबके पैर बांध दिए थे और वो आई थिंक आई स्टार्ट
3-4 चीजें कर.
हाँ मतलब उसके बाद मुझे लग रहा था कि उसके बाद शो चला ही नहीं कहीं पे. उसके बाद मतलब तुमने उन 4 एपिसोड्स में प्लान किया ना कि हम ये कर दे, तुमने खास प्लानिंग भी नहीं दिखाई. यू लाइक चलो वील विंग इट, हम उनका गन्स पकड़ेंगे और मारना शुरू कर दिया.
That was quite a stretch. Because also waiting firstly, waiting for all our exes to die. ऊपर से like bro, that's the exact thing you want to avoid.
ऊपर से
you're supposed to be sad about every death. You can't be happy with any death.
How can you just say कि कुछ लोगों का सैक्रिफाइस बनता है. अबे फिर तो तू पैसा लेके जा उस प्लेन पे चढ़ जाता ना तू जाके. ठीक है. बट देन अगेन एक और चीज थी कि तुम्हारा पूरा जो एरिया है वो गार्ड से भरा हुआ है. ठीक है. तुमने इतना वो करा हुआ है. हाँ, पूरे टाइम तुमने 15 चलो 10 गार्ड 20 गार्ड भेजे अंदर. इन लोगों ने तुम्हें इन लोग को मार दिया. तुम्हारे आइलैंड पे और गार्ड ही नहीं है. खत्म हो गए सारे. क्या और इतना टाइम कैसे हो गया कि वो पूरा रास्ता चल गए वहां पे गेट तक पहुंच गए हैं तब जाके उधर से गोली पड़ रही है. वो थोड़ा स्ट्रेच मेरे को लगा जो मुझे लगा कि भाई ये मेजर डिस्कनेक्ट है. कहाँ तो ये लोग अभी पैर बंधे हुए मर रहे थे और कहाँ अगले सीन में ये वो गेट तक पहुंच गए भाई.
Also I have to say if the front man was gonna turn coat anyway at the end, why not?
तो वो वहां तक गया क्यों?
Why you shooting your own men? You have to pay them and shit, dude.
वहां तक गया क्यों? वही मार देता ना. उसके दोस्त को भी मार दिया हीरो के. उसका भी मुझे पैसे भर का वो नहीं लगा कि भाई ओ शिट मेन कैरेक्टर क्या है.
ओ दोस्त का तो बुरा लगा मेरे को यार. थोड़ा तो
मेरे को छोड़ो कोई टेंशन.
I just hope they conclude it satisfying.
दिल नहीं है तेरा. डैनी डंगजोपा को मार दिया किसी ने. क्या भाई.
But Luck is a great film.
I'll watch it. Yes.
But Luck is a good film. Do watch it.
Okay.
You will have fun. Cool. उसका क्लाइमैक्स खराब है. मतलब द रीजनिंग वो बहुत ही वो है कि मतलब हाँ यहाँ से पता लगता है स्क्विड गेम्स और तुम में क्या फर्क है.
But were they expecting a Luck too? Because maybe that was a cliffhanger.
हो सकता है वैसे. नहीं क्लिफ हैंगर नहीं है. मतलब द एंड है फिल्म का. बट वो क्लोजर बहुत ही फुद्दू रीजन से दिया है क्लोजर.
उसी फिल्म में खाना था ना वो आसमां
मतलब is are the lyrics not a giveaway? आजमा लक आजमा लक आजमा.
मैं वही सोच रहा था आजमा के बाद लक ही बोलती है ना.
Maybe it's from the movie आजमा.
वो भी श्रुति नहीं गाया.
All right,
can we wrap this up? I'm about to fall
the end
asleep.
of this episode of Pop Conversation. I've been Antrish Thakkar. This has been Abbas Mohammed. This has been Sneha Laneja. Please follow us online. Please hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. As always, again, we forgot to mention that you should hit
Please
like and subscribe to the episode.
In the
like,
beginning of the
share.
episode.
But you get it. We are back to one of our older venues to record at. Because पैसे कम पड़ जाए तो घर तो है ही.
Which hopefully doesn't get sold.
जब पैसे कम हो पॉकेट में तो yes hopefully
अभी शादी हुई है भाई की.
पैसे कम हो पॉकेट में तो घर वाले याद आते हैं हमेशा.
I swear dude.
तो that was it guys. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Please
कैमरा में उबास ही ले रहा है भाई देख के.
And Abbas has even stopped giving a fuck now at this point.
He's like
ठीक है यार देख लेंगे यार क्या कर लेंगे यार.
सब्सक्राइब कर लो.
Enjoy करो यार.
और tell us what your favorite trailer or teaser was.
Yeah, out of all these films.
Good end. Bye bye.